Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to create AI-generated wallpapers on Pixel 10. So, first go into the settings, then wallpaper and style, scroll down to wallpapers and AI wallpapers. Now, here you can choose a bunch of types. I'll choose imaginary, and here we can change a surreal, for example, UFO made of fur in shades of yellow and teal. Now create wallpaper. It may take a while, depends on how stable is your Wi-Fi connection, so I'll be back with you when the wallpaper is done. Okay, and it's ready, our surreal UFO made of fur in shades of yellow and teal. You can now click here to accept the wallpaper, and you will see the preview. Go next, and I can see it. Okay, now, and you can change the lock screen or the wallpaper. I'll choose the lock screen. Yes, next, only lock screen, apply. And now it is right here. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.